Guys, this is E, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick this morning and let you guys know that tomorrow, starting at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, we will go live with our mystery boxes. We had the mystery box sale last year, and it was a huge success. We ended up having to reload, I think, 3 different times with mystery boxes. But this year we're going to have a limited supply. So if you want one, you're going to have to come early and grab it. But they will go live at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now, we had a huge number of people that asked me, was I going to do mystery boxes again this year? So Melina and some of the kids have got together and they have put some things together, and this is in front of me right here is just a few of the things that you might see in your mystery box. Now, each box will be different. There's not going to be the same 2 things in every box. So if you want to get 2 or 3 different boxes, be assured that you will probably get something different in each box. You may have, like, the flowers may be in each box, but you won't have this in each box. Or you may have a stamp set, and this is a nice large stamp set. You may have a stamp set in each box, but you may not have some of the others. So it's going to be like that. So be assured that if you buy 2 or 3 different boxes, you're going to get different things in each box. The boxes are going to be worth around $40 to $45, depending. They may go up to $50, just depends on what we have to put in them. These stamp sets alone are, let's see, these retail for, I think, $21.95, just a stamp set. So we have quite a few of those that we'll be putting in there. So the mystery boxes are only $29.95, but you're going to get a retail value of between $40 and $50. So you can be assured of that. We have some Tim Holtz stencils. We have some Christmas ribbon. We have flowers. We have dies. We have embossing folders. We have all kinds of things that we're going to be putting in these mystery boxes. So remember, they will go live in the morning. That'll be Friday, 11/22 at 10 a.m. my time, Central Standard Time, Alabama time. So come on over to scrapbookingwithme.com, and I'll put that link below. And you can go ahead in the morning at 10 a.m. You can go and grab your boxes. So until in the morning, we will talk to you guys later, and I will be around to answer questions today if you have any. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.